Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Amazon error code 7136. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is to verify that your internet connection is stable. You can try selecting a few internet networks or try to connect to a Wi-Fi network that you know for sure that works. So if the problem continues, there's a few other solutions that you might want to try. So the first one is to go to the Play Store and verify that you have your app updated. If you do this and it still doesn't work, let's try another possible solution. For that, you want to go to your settings menu and then go to apps. There you want to search for Amazon Prime Video and open it. It will take you to this screen. Here you can try two things. The first one is to click where it says Force Stop, and this will automatically close your app and restart it. The other is to press on the button that says Clear Data, and then clear the cache, and this will delete all the data that your app has that it might be causing the problem. And if this doesn't work, you may try to contact customer service on Amazon Prime. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!